Welcome back to Master Vehicle, your destination for exploring the most fascinating machines ever built. Today we're taking a close look at a timeless piece of automotive history, the beautifully restored 1934 Ford Model B pickup. This vintage truck represents a perfect fusion of old-school charm and modern-day craftsmanship, making it one of the most eye-catching and unique vehicles on the road today. Whether you're a fan of classic design or a lover of modern Restomods, this truck is sure to grab your attention and hold it all the way through. Let's start with the key features that make this pickup so special. The 1934 Ford Model B pickup was one of the most iconic utility vehicles of its time, known for its durability, simplicity, and unmistakable style. This particular version has been meticulously restored and updated with contemporary touches like LED halo headlights, polished chrome bumpers, and a refined paint finish that glows under any light. The combination of vintage lines and modern upgrades makes it both a showpiece and a capable driver's machine. When it comes to design, this truck captures everything that made early Ford vehicles legendary. The long curved fenders, the upright grille, and the exposed headlights all echo the design language of the 1930s, while the golden wire spoke wheels add a luxurious yet nostalgic touch. The wooden bed rails at the rear bring back that rustic appeal of classic pickups, a reminder of the days when trucks were built to handle both work and style effortlessly. Every curve and contour of this truck tells a story from an era when vehicles were handcrafted with pride and built to last. Moving inside, the interior has been tastefully modernized while keeping its vintage soul intact. The cabin retains its classic simplicity with a metal dashboard and retro-style steering wheel, but introduces comfort elements such as upgraded leather seats, digital gauges disguised in analog style, and modern air conditioning. It's a clever blend of the past and present, allowing drivers to enjoy nostalgic aesthetics without compromising modern-day comfort. The driving position feels commanding yet cozy, with great visibility and an unmistakable sense of connection to the road. Performance-wise, this Restomod version doesn't disappoint. While the original 1934 Model B came with a 4-cylinder flathead engine producing modest power, modern restorations like this one often feature updated powertrains for reliability and performance. Under the hood, you might find a smooth V8 engine paired with a modern transmission setup, offering far better power delivery, fuel efficiency, and drivability. The suspension and braking systems are also likely to be upgraded, ensuring that this classic beauty drives just as confidently as any modern vehicle. What truly sets this truck apart is its unique selling point. It's a perfect marriage of nostalgia and innovation. It stands as a tribute to a golden age of automotive design while embracing the conveniences of modern technology. For collectors, enthusiasts, and casual admirers alike, the 1934 Ford Model B pickup symbolizes craftsmanship, character, and timeless style. It's not just a vehicle, it's a moving piece of history reborn for today's roads. That wraps up our deep dive into this stunning piece of automotive art. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to Master Vehicle for more detailed looks at classic legends and modern marvels that continue to define the spirit of motoring.